One of the most common minor things that I find in a home inspection is doors not latching. And typically what it is, it's usually due to some kind of settlement or movement, or the door was just not secured real well to the door jamb. And what happens is the latch side tends to drop down where the door handle latch is lower than the door strike. So a very simple, easy trick is we're gonna take this screw out right here, which is one of these little 3/4 inch screws, and we're gonna replace it with a 2.5 or a 3-inch screw. This way, when we put it in, it goes through the door jamb and catches the studs behind here. The easiest way with longer screws is if you have one of these impact drills. These things, if you don't have one, as a homeowner, get one of these. These things are awesome. And what happens is as you're tightening down and it starts to feel the resistance, it acts like an impact gun, like mechanics use. These things, I can't believe the amount of torque that they have. They're unbelievable. So we're gonna go ahead and drive this screw in, and what that's going to do is it's going to pull our door slab up from that top hinge, bringing up the latch where it comes into the door strike. Now when we close this door, not only does it latch, but you'll see that the margin, this space right here in between the top of the door and the door jamb, as well as the vertical latch side door jamb here, is all even, which allows this latch to catch. Usually the screw in the top hinge takes care of the problem. However, sometimes you may need to actually pull this strike plate off and get a chisel and mortise it out and raise it or lower it depending on what your door is doing. If you guys like these how-to videos, please like it and subscribe.